While there are a few surfaces you should never clean with vinegar, like your marble countertops, vinegar is a cleaning essential that can be used in every single room in your house. A natural acid, vinegar will break down mineral deposits and cut through tough stains. Here's how to use vinegar to clean everything from your tea kettle to cloudy wine glasses. If your microwave is covered in sauce splatters, let white vinegar and a cleaning tool called the Angry Mama cut down on your cleaning time. So fill the Angry Mama with a solution of white vinegar and water. Then just pop it in the microwave for 7 minutes. As the steam is released, it's going to loosen up all of the stuck-on spills and splatters. Once cooled slightly, use a sponge to wipe away the greasy mess. If you live in an area with hard water and are a tea drinker, there's a good chance your tea kettle is laden with chalky white mineral deposits. To remove these mineral deposits the easy way, fill the tea kettle with half white vinegar and half water. Then boil the solution for a few minutes. Turn off the heat and let it cool down for a couple hours before pouring out. The vinegar should help break down the mineral deposits, so you really shouldn't have to scrub it all. But if there's still some residue left, just repeat this process one more time. Pour equal parts distilled white vinegar and warm water into the chemex, being sure to fill up past the coffee stain lines on the glass. Let the solution sit for about 30 minutes before using a bottle brush to scrub away the coffee stains. The acidic vinegar will cut through the stains, so they should now scrub away easily. Okay, now that your chemex is stain-free, get rid of that vinegar smell by just giving it a wash with dish soap and warm water. White vinegar can also work wonders on the mineral deposits that dry on kitchen faucets. So to remove these surface stains, just dip a clean cloth in white vinegar and use them to wipe down chrome fixtures. If the aerator on your faucet is clogged with built-up mineral deposits, try this trick, which also works with shower heads as well. Fill a plastic bag partway with white vinegar. Then attach it to the faucet spout with a rubber band or a twist tie, making sure that the aerator is fully submerged in the white vinegar. Let this solution sit for about an hour before removing it. Then just run the hot water for a minute and it'll flush out all of the leftover mineral deposits. If your go-to wine glasses look cloudy and are speckled with mineral spots, white vinegar can help with that too. Dip a soft cloth in white vinegar so it's just barely damp. Then wipe both the inside and the outside of the glass. To remove the vinegar taste, hand wash each wine glass with dish soap and warm water. Then rinse thoroughly and dry with a lint-free cloth to prevent more mineral deposits from drying on your now spotless wine glasses. For more all-natural cleaning solutions, follow along on realsimple.com.